My name is Josh Holbrook, and I like school so much that I now live in a school.
Big Josh. Big Josh. Big Josh. Big Josh. Big Josh bought a school in a tiny little town. Big Josh filled a school from the ceiling to the ground. Big Josh has a truck that he always drives around. Big Josh. Big Josh buys things and he puts them in the truck. Big Josh finds things that other people chuck. Big Josh smokes weed cause he don't give a fuck. Big Josh. Big Josh makes pizza and he sells them at the school. Big Josh's Pizzeria, man, it looks really cool. Big Josh, he makes the money, man. Josh, he ain't no fool. Big Josh. But sometimes in the middle of the night, I wonder if Josh is really alright. Does he shed a tear when they shut off the light? Big Josh. But they say he never cried even when his daddy died. Big Josh. A Big Josh